Welcome to SBComputter, the go-to channel for all things cybersecurity. I am your host, certified ethical hacker Suman Bosnet. Today, we have got a crucial topic to discuss that involves scammers targeting Facebook users through a devious technique called self XSS, or even we can say it self cross site scripting. And mind you, this is not a bug, this is a scam. Stick around till the end of this video because you definitely don't want to fall victim to this sneaky cyber trap. Imagine a scenario where scammers are not just tricking you into clicking fake posts or malicious links, but convincing you to hack yourself. Yes, my friend, you heard it right. This new Facebook self access scam is a blend of social engineering and also your browser vulnerability. So keep your browser up to date, aiming to compromise the accounts of over 1 billion active users. How it works. So here is the deal. The scammer send phishing messages via email or Facebook posts claiming that they have discovered a new way to hack anyone Facebook account. They provide a set of seemingly harmless instructions that, when followed, actually inject malicious JavaScript into your web browser. It is like opening the door to your own account, handling or handing the keys to the cyber crooks. The post scam typically looks like this. No, why would anyone willingly do this? You can ask. Well, once you have self injected this malicious script, your entire Facebook account is full control of the scammers. They can post, comment, and even promote further attacks using your account. The worst part, they might infect your computer with malware, collecting sensitive information like banking details and sending them to a remote location. Facebook has flagged this scam as a significant threat, warning users against falling victim to self-access. Their official statement reads, scammers who use self-access usually trick you by promising to help you hack somebody else's account. The ultimate goal is to make you run their malicious code, granting them access to your account for fraud, spam, and tricking more people into running the same scam. For here is the takeaway. Be vigilant and cautious when you receive messages or posts claiming to provide shortcuts or hacks. Don't be the unwitting accomplice in hacking yourself. Stay safe, secure your accounts, and share this video with your friends and family to spread awareness about the Facebook self access scam. Now, here is the demonstration of this attack. that's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity updates. Stay safe online, and until next time, take care.